On Friday, September 22, 2023, overall the markets today were negative. The Dow Jones was down almost 107 points, minus 0.31%, to finish the day at 33,963.84. The NASDAQ was down almost 13 points, minus 0.09%, to finish the day at 13,211.81. The S&P 500 was down almost 10 points, minus 0.23%, to finish the day at 4,320.06. Dow slides 100 points on Friday. S&P 500 and NASDAQ post worst weeks since March. Expect an upwards bias in the markets for the next week. Expect a risk-on environment the next week where the Canadian dollar will have a strong bias to the upside and the United States dollar will have a strong downward bias. The strongest currency pair over the next week with a strong upward bias will be the Canadian dollar, Swiss franc, followed in a close second place with a downward bias the Euro dollar, Australian dollar, and in third place with a strong upwards bias is the New Zealand dollar. The United States dollar. Remember, this information is not trade advice but to be used for educational purposes only. Good trading. As always, do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel, All Things Money, to see more content like this.